From the makers of the best-selling BarrelCool, we bring you the Barrel Blizzard. Powered by an easy-to-use USB battery, Barrel Blizzard is equipped with two powerful fans specifically designed to blast the hottest part of your barrel with cool air. Barrel Blizzard is totally configurable, with full 360-degree rotation of both fans. Point them inward to maximize cooling, or point them downrange to eliminate barrel mirage. Even point them back at yourself as a personal fan. The Barrel Blizzard is easy to adjust on the fly. Precision shooters will tell you, they stay accurate by cooling their barrel between volleys. Instead of waiting more than 45 minutes, reduce your cooling time to just 8 minutes. Pair your Blizzard with BarrelCool for the ultimate cooling package, and have your barrel ready in as little as 5 minutes. Barrel Blizzard is coming soon.